Good day and good morning. There were some questions on how to make the drop downs. So you'll notice for my agents here, I have Jimi Hendrix, Eric Clapton, Aretha Franklin, and Ray Charles on this demo. So someone was asking how to make those drop downs. And then the other thing that they were asking is how to make when the drop down say is C notes, it stays white, but when it actually goes to say complete, it turns green. So how to do those types of things. So I'm just going to use a random cell here that doesn't have any conditions in it, and I'm just going to make one up right now for you on that. So let's say, one second here. Seller's name. You wouldn't do it for a drop down on this, but let's just use that as an example. So what I'm going to do to add a drop down of all the different names or anything else that you want to add, I'm going to highlight the entire category. Then I'm going to hold down Command and I'm going to click on the ones that I don't want drop downs in, which are these first two columns for me anyways. So now the entire row or column, I'm sorry, is highlighted. And other than those two, I'm going to come up here to Data. I'm going to come up here to Data Validation. Then I'm going to change List from Range to List of Items. And I'm just going to put John Smith, comma, don't need any spaces, Larry Nelson, and Joe Q. Go ahead and click Save. Now notice that that drop down is there. Okay, so I can do that, and that's going to be all the length of this entire column. So now let's go ahead and let's do the same thing. Let's highlight this entire thing. Let's uncheck or unhighlight these two cells. Then I'm going to come up here if I want, say, John Q or whatever it was, Joe Q, to go ahead and turn green when it's him. So rather than Data, which was Data Validation, I'm going to come over to Format. We're going to go to Conditional Formatting. When I do Conditional Formatting, we're going to add another rule. That rule, I'm going to come down here and say when it is exact. So where is that? Text contains, text is exactly, that's what it is. If text is exactly, and actually I'll just do, let's say, as long as it's already there, Larry Nelson. So there are three names in there, and if I want Larry Nelson to turn green each and every time. So now you'll notice if I click John Smith, stays white. Joe Q stays white. Larry Nelson turns green. So I hope that helps you. I am going to delete that condition. Then I'm going to come up here if you ever want to get rid of something. So I deleted that condition. I'm going to highlight these again, and I'm going to come over to Data Validation. And I'm going to remove that validation. Now there's no more drop downs. That's basically all that you do. Get rid of this stuff. I think you're good to go. I hope that helps. Have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.